Most people don't own gold or silver because they think that it requires thousands of dollars up front in order to do it. But what most people don't realize is that once you are set up, you can start accumulating real gold and real silver in dollar-based increments. Yes, there's a one-time setup to access wholesale pricing, but once that's achieved, you're no longer locked out of gold and silver ownership because of price. Hello, everyone. It's Rick Fronick from Silver and Gold Solutions and Work Smart for you here in Galena, Illinois. And on the special edition here of Gold and Silver Stacking Saturdays, I wanted to share some really important information with you. And this is something that's going to change your perspective on owning gold and silver and how, regardless of your income and where you're at in the world, you can actually have the ability to start owning gold and silver as soon as today. So what I want to do in this video here is going to make this real quick because I'm going to keep it straight and to the point here. Is this is really the most affordable way to start owning real physical gold and silver in 2026. Even if you're on a tight budget, like I said, or just getting started. A lot of times I have people ask me all the time, it's like, why would I want to start saving in gold and silver now? It's too expensive. Well, for one, it's not going to go down. Okay, it might drop a little bit, but on the other hand, too, I'm going to share with you a way that you can start doing this regardless of the price of gold or silver and how you can accumulate it even in fractional amounts, like even as little as $1 or $2 or $10 at a time if you want, but still get the full 1 ounce pricing. And wouldn't have the inflated fractional premiums that a lot of the places online share with you right now. Like if you went to buy gold and silver online at certain places online, you would be paying a premium on top of the actual physical price of gold and silver. So this is going to be your way to purchases accumulate towards real physical gold and silver that you can actually take delivery of. So you can buy in incremental amounts, but at the same time, yeah, you may not be able to get that full 1 ounce of gold or silver, depending on your situation, right away, but you can actually accumulate a little bit at a time and still get that 1 ounce pricing, which is really huge. When you understand the overall value that what I'm going to share with you here today, what it can do as far as for saving for yourself and your future and your family. And what this is this system removes the biggest barrier most people face, which is the high upfront cost. Because I run into people almost every single day when I talk to them about gold and silver, like I can't afford it. And the thing is, yes, you can. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share with you a very short uh, fractional gold overview. Now I'm going to share this information and it's about a 2-minute video, and then I'm going to actually kind of expound on this afterwards. Let's go ahead and pull this up. And let's see if it works. There we go. All right. So in this, let me see, this may pull me off screen here. No, it doesn't. Okay. So this is, basically this is called where you can buy fractional gold. Okay. It's a company called Sound Money. And this is, a referral based company. But what I'm going to share with you here today is this short video here. And this is going to explain the importance of being able to save in fractional amounts.
Take control of your future financial life. Getting started with precious metals is not as hard as you might think. Have $10? Stack $10 worth of silver. Want $100? Grab $100 of gold. That's the power of fractional metal buying. Sure, other companies let you buy smaller increments, but here's the catch. The price per ounce skyrockets the smaller you go. For example, let's say the current price of gold is $4,067 an ounce. That means that the price for 1/10 of an ounce should be $406.70. Now search any dealer online. Sure, you can buy 1/10 of an ounce of gold, but that fraction will cost you far more than 1/10 the ounce price. With us, it's different. Whether you buy a sliver or a stack, you get ounce-based pricing. No steep premiums, no hidden penalties.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will actually have a link for that actual landing page so you can watch the video again and actually find out a little bit more about it because it does share with you how to go about doing it and how it's stored and how you can actually take physical possession and also sell back with one click. Now that's something, let me see here. Let's go back. Okay, so that's something that is there's only one company that can actually do that. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is, hang on 1 second, new share. There we go. All right. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Okay. So with that company Sound Money where you can buy it in fractional gold, it's available to all these countries here. So there's a total of 64 countries here, and I'll actually you can I will not list them all down below in the YouTube video or the Rumble video, but I will, take you can pause this video and check to see if your country's here. But this is all the countries that this opportunity is available in. Okay, so the question a lot of people ask is, why would I get started and how do you get started? Okay, so like I said, I'm going to include the link to that video below. But really, when you look at the overall economy and everything that's happening, what is driving the gold and silver markets? This is part of what it is. It's inflation, currency devaluation, and financial uncertainty across the globe. Okay, it's a lot of people think that they can't afford gold and silver. This is how you can afford gold and silver. And it's something that if you want to, grow your income, so to speak, or your savings, this is a great way to do it. And one thing I do want to touch on real quick about this, the fractional gold video that I just shared with you. If you ever need to liquidate your gold and silver, okay, like some people say to me, it's like, why would I want to save in gold and silver? Because then when it comes time to, convert it to cash, I have to go find a dealer or a pawn shop or try to sell it online. No, with the Sound Money wallet in that system through 7K, with a click of the button, you can actually convert your silver and gold that you've been saving back to your fiat currency, depending on which country you're in, and have it go back to your bank account or get sent to you just like that. Okay, just with a click of mouse. It doesn't matter what time of day or year or whatever it is. So like if you wanted to do it at midnight on, say it's Saturday night at midnight and you wanted to convert that gold or silver that you had in your account into physical or back into fiat currency, you just click a button and it gets started. The process starts sending it back to your bank account and it all happens within a day. Okay, if it's like, depending on if it's on the weekend, there's going to be that slight lag, but Monday through Friday, it should be instantaneously almost. Okay. So, this is something that I've been using Sound Money and 7K now for going on 6 years. And it's something I recommend this because no other company offers this true dollar-based fractional accumulation. Nobody else, you can't go to any dealer online and say, I want to buy $10 worth of gold. They'll laugh at you, okay? Because they all have their minimums and they all have, all their stipulations. Not with Sound Money. Once you get set up with the account, you can actually go buy $5 each day if you wanted to, or set it up on a monthly savings thing, or if you wanted to save $15, $20 a month in silver or gold, you have that option. It's ideal for beginners. And then also for those who've been saving in the form of precious metals, this is something that gives you another option towards adding towards your portfolio or however you want to save for yourself and your family. It doesn't require somebody to do it for you. You don't have to have a financial advisor do it. You can have it do it for yourself, or you can buy it and buy it and sell it whenever you want. Okay. It also allows for consistent wealth building without timing the market. So, I mean, if you watch the gold and silver markets because they fluctuate throughout the day, if you see that silver or gold takes a dip, that's the time that you may want to buy. And then, you can, play your cards that way. Or if you see that it spikes up and you want to convert the assets that you've already accumulated into fiat currency, you can do that as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will have these two links below. There's the start here, a special pricing. I'll have that. That's for the fractional gold. And with that, there is a standard setup fee. Okay, the normal fee is $2.99, but if you go through this link that I share below, it's going to drop it down to $1.99. Okay, but even better, and it actually gives you the best value and it gives you the same options, is if you do go through the link here that I have for 7K metals. And what I'm going to do is on the next slide, I'm going to show you another link too, where if you watch the wealth strategies presentations, I'm going to share with the other link, that'll actually give you more in-depth explanation of what's all the benefits of being a 7K metals, having a 7K metals membership. And I apologize for my voice here. I've been sick here for a couple weeks here, but I still want to carry and share this information with everybody. But in this case here, with going through 7K, you get the exact same benefits as fractional gold, but for a cost of $149, plus you get in a $20 of instant gold pay put into your sound money wallet when you activate your account. So in theory, it's 129 because you're automatically getting $20 in gold put into your account, but that gets you set up right away. And they have a very simple 7-step process that you can go through each 7 steps, and you can get started actually within less than a half an hour. Okay, so this is the link I was mentioning. I'll include this below. So if you watch this 7K Metals Wealth Strategies overview, it's this through this link, it'll actually give you all the benefits, or I shouldn't say all the benefits, but a nice overview of the benefits of having a membership and what you can do to help start saving for yourself and your family in your future. And then what I'm going to do is here, this is extremely limited time because I only have a handful of these. Actually, I have 5 at the moment. I will give for anybody that takes actions and creates their membership. I will send you from me personally, not from 7K. This is my gift to you for being an action taker. I'll send you a 1 ounce silver Buffalo Indian coin, and just real quick to show you what that looks like. I did this as a promotion back at the first week of January, and at that time the cost of one of these Indian silver buffalo coins was 81.72. Today, right before this video, I went online and checked this, and the price is now $100. Okay, so this is for the first 5 action takers. So what I'm going to do is I'll have all this information below the video. Um, Go ahead and check out the links, okay? Check out fractionalgold.com, and all this is referral based. That's the one thing. It's a true pay it forward program. So this is something that once you're set up, this is something that you can share with people that you associate with, or people, or your family and your friends and the people that you care about, and want to help them save for themselves and their family and their future in the form of precious metals. Because I really do feel that everyone should have some form of precious metals in their possession, whether it's just a little bit at a time, like I was sharing like they shared with that fractional gold video. But that's something that I've also been doing myself. I have one account that I put $15 a month. Just one week, I pick a week, $15 a month goes into silver or gold, and just it's little bit by little bit adding incrementally to saving for my family and my future. So that's been my main goal here on Gold and Silver Stacking Saturdays and all the videos that I share online. So I hope you got some great information from this. My goal has been always to help people and educate them and give them a better understanding of ways to save for themselves and their family and their future. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And then also what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something extra special too. Between now and next Saturday, the 24th, I'm going to be watching. And for those that have watched this far, and take action or even comment on the video, I will have a nice special giveaway next Saturday on the 24th, our next Gold and Silver Stacking Saturdays live call. So I hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend. I wish you my best, and go ahead and check out the links. And it maybe it's something that you're not interested in at this time. If you're not, please share it with other people, because I know there's a lot of people out there that are interested in gold and silver, but just not sure how to get started. So I wish everybody my best, and we'll talk to everybody again soon. Take care.